I mean, like everything, really everything is done for you. I could sit back and just watch the leads come in. I could watch the calls get booked. I there isn't a better program out there.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah. So, I mean, what did you think about that? Coming in from the outside where, we basically, obviously it takes you about a week to ramp up. And then next thing you've got your CRM set up, you've got your leads coming in, someone to call if you get a booked call, you know what I mean? If you want to have someone go on and close it with you, or tell me about that experience. How was that?
So the closing was great. Having someone there, it really brings a sense of comfort to this. Like as a beginner, you feel like you have someone behind you. Like you got a wall behind you to support you going forward. Like that was fantastic.
Yeah, great. That's what we hope to achieve. You know what I mean? To get people that are looking for that support and comfort level. So yeah,
as a beginner, there's nothing more that I could ask for from this program.
Awesome. Appreciate that.
Yeah, absolutely.